and I went and I changed it from 62-bit to 64-bit to 32-bit. I tried all the ways, but I'm not able to do that. Can you tell me what will be the error?
You tell me this, give the sharing.
Yeah.
Share your screen once. Yeah, open.
I will do it.
Open SQL Server data tool.
Management Studio data tool, right? Huh, okay. So I open SQL Server data tool, and just give me a minute. Okay, I will go to new project.
I think you have to already create one project here.
That project is okay because that I transferred the flat file.
Okay. No, you have to create any packages within one project only. So just open this integration service project. I think it is not created. It should not be opened. You want, yes. Just you have to open again. New project.
Integration services project. So this open, okay. So
yes, close this.
Yeah, I will go there.
Just first you have to open your Solution Explorer. Control Alt L.
Oh yeah, Control.
Otherwise, go to View and open the Solution Explorer.
Control Alt L.
Not open. And go to View. Solution Explorer.
Okay.
Yes. Here, write your package name. Okay. So, do you have any SQL MS Office?
Yeah.
Okay. Shall then open data flow task.
Okay. Now I'll go to data flow task.
Take the Excel source.
Now this I have opened, right?
Yes. Go to Excel source. Just down. Go down. So take the Excel source. Yes. Just drag it in middle. No, just remove this Excel source one.
This one?
Right click and remove. Delete. Yes. Take the OLDB source destination. OLDB destination. No source destination. So why? Because source is there already. You have to take the destination. OLDB destination.
OLDB destination. Okay.
You have to define the connection manager of Excel source. Double click on this. No. First double click on this. Double click. Yes.
New.
Click on new.
Browse.
Just click on browse. Select your Excel file. Where is the file?
I'm just yeah. This 1,000 records. Okay. I will click.
Where?
This 1,000 record. It's on desktop only.
Where is this file?
This file is on desktop.
Where it? It is not having any file? Yeah, okay, 1,000 records. Yes, click on open.
Yeah.
Just click on name of the Excel sheet.
Name of the Excel sheet.
Not having. Yeah. So click on close.
Cancel.
Click on cancel. Go to integration service project. Right click. Here integration solution explorer.
Okay.
Integration service project. Right click. Click on properties.
Okay.
Configuration properties. Click on configuration properties.
Okay.
Just this expand this configuration properties. Here configuration properties, yes.
Okay.
So just you have to click on build.
Okay. This is something new.
Yes, click on deployment. We'll check it. No debugging. Yes. Set to be run 32-bit runtime is set to be false.
Yeah.
Yeah, set to be false. This runtime run 64-bit runtime.
Runtime.
This is run 64-bit.
Yeah.
Yes, set to be false. Click
Okay.
on apply. Apply. Okay.
Yeah.
No,
Okay.
you have to check it once. Yeah, connection manager is already there. Just click on new. Otherwise, just click the file path. No, don't change anything. That is default. Okay.
Okay.
Click on OK. Here just what happens? Can I put the table information for the connection line? Okay. Click on close. Okay.
Close.
Then cancel. Just save this project once. Save here by up save floppy symbol. Here stop. Yes.
Okay.
So just close it. Just close this.
Close it or minimize it?
Close this. Yes.
Yeah.
1 second. Just it is closed. Just refresh and again open the same project in the SQL Server data tool. Right click. No. Otherwise you have to use some administrator. Just close this. Just close this project.
Yeah.
Right click in the SQL Server data tool. Click on right click.
Sorry.
SQL
Yeah.
Server.
Yeah.
Right click run as administrator. Something is some restriction available here also. You have to run administrator. You have to work something is correct. Just go run as administrator.
Yes.
Yes, click on S. Wait for. Yes, click on integration service project 8. Here, click on service project here. Recent projects.
This one, right?
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. 1 second. Preparing solution. You have to double click on this data flow task. Why it is red symbol? Yes, click on Excel source. 1 second. Just cancel this. Just we have to remove this connection manager once. Excel connection managers in properties window. Connection managers.
Okay.
Just remove this. Right click and delete. And here also right click delete. Just you have to configure fresh configuration manager now. Right
Okay.
click the Excel source.
Yeah.
Edit. Yes, click on connection manager. New. Yes, browse.
Okay.
Select the file.
Which
Click
one?
on new.
Huh?
Your connection manager is created.
Yeah, it is there. No.
What happened here? Just click on new. I think you are not properly created. This. Yes, browse. Select the file. Yes, click on open.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, click on columns.
It doesn't let me.
So which version you have to use MS Office?
I think so. I have 2002 or 2007.
2007 or 2010?
Yeah.
Open Excel? Yeah. Oh, this is not for your Excel. What is the version? Click on help. Go to help. Yes, find the click on help. Yes, click on about Microsoft Excel. Yeah, it is 2012. Yeah, it is 2002.
Yeah, old one, right?
So that, yeah, this is very very old version. Yeah.
Okay. So I need to get the
now
new one.
now 2012.
Only 10 years, no problem, sir. But I need to buy this now, the new version.
Okay, okay, no problem. I will share you 2010 version.
Thank you.
Okay. So
Uh,
actually this is a 2002 version. Actually Microsoft Excel doesn't support 2002 version.
okay.
So that is the problem.
Okay, that's good. Like, can you share me the new one if you don't mind?
Yes,
So,
yes. Yeah. After finishing this session, I will share you that MS Office software. Okay. Hello.
we will start the new session now, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So today we'll start with some transformations. So last class we will discuss. We have to finish some packages, just general, without having any transformations. You have to create some packages. Okay.
Okay.
So now we'll start with some transformation. So before starting with the transformation, what is a transformation? Tell me something about transformation.
Transformation is extracting the useful data from the
Yes.
source file and ignore the not useful data, right?
Yes. Actually, meaning of transformation is uh, these these are the intermediate component. These are the intermediate component which are placed between the source and destination for performing the data transformation operation. Data operation otherwise.
These are the intermediate components which are placed
Yes.
between source and destination.
Yes. This is your source. This is your destination. So compulsory we have to use the transformation intermediate between these two components. We have to use the transformation.
Yeah.
So this is for intermediate between the source component and destination component, and this transformation performing the your input data, you have to performing some operation, and after complete the operation the data will be stored in your destination.
Okay.
So that is called as transformation. So in these transformations there is a two types of transformation. Just for understanding, actually transformations are different transformation, but here in this transformations are two types. So what is the two types of transformations? So just for you have to knowledge something about this transformation. These are two types of transformations. just for knowledge purpose, but you are not using. So synchronous transformation, just for name, the transformations names are called as two types. There is some groups like asynchronous transformations. So what is a synchronous transformation? What is the asynchronous transformations? So synchronous transformation is, for example, what is synchronous means? For example, this is our source. Source having 100 records. Okay.
Okay.
So whenever you have to use any transformation, for example, in this transformation you can give some input data, you can do some operation here in this transformation. Okay.
Okay.
But once the transformation do some operation, then loading the data in the destination also same 100 records. Whatever the data available in your source, after performing operation also, the data, same data will be loaded in your destination. This type of transformation is called as synchronous transformation.
It is
Synchronous,
similar to wizard.
sorry?
It is similar to wizard, like.
Yeah, similar to wizard, but here we have to write some operations also, transformations.
Okay. Okay.
But whatever the data available in your source,
Exactly.
same data will be exactly loaded in your destination. But you have some operation do in this transformation.
Okay.
So not directly load the data. Whatever the data is available, not directly loaded in the destination. Do some operation here.
Okay.
This type of transformation is called as synchronous transformation.
Okay.
We'll discuss what is the synchronous transformations. Some transformations we have to. I will show you. So this is synchronous. For example, this is your source. 100 records. Just for remember only what is synchronous, what is asynchronous. So this is 100 records. Just I am connecting to one transformation. But these data, these 100 records data will transform in this operation, some operation, whatever the operation, either insert, update, the merge, truncate, delete, whatever the operation. Then finally the data will be loaded some 50 or 20, whatever the records total. What is total records? 100. But load the records only 50.
Yeah.
So this transformation is called as asynchronous. Number of input records less than the number of output records.
Okay.
This is called as asynchronous transformations. So just while I am writing the steps, we'll discuss in this time of using transformations. So in these transformations, just for you have to have some knowledge. Why? Because in the interview purpose, ask this question: what are the different types of transformations are there? So transformations are two types. One is synchronous and one is asynchronous. What is a synchronous means? In this transformation,
The number of source record and output data will be the same.
yeah, in this transformation, number of output records will be same as input uh, records. Whatever the output records, whatever the output you have to generate using this transformation, so that output records is must same as your input records.
Yeah.
So that is called as synchronous transformations. And what is asynchronous is
output data records will be less than input.
Yes. In this transformation, number of output records will be less than the input rows. So if your input rows are 100, but your load the data in your output is 50. So that type of transformations is called as asynchronous transformations.
Okay.
So here, these are the two types of transformations. One is synchronous and one is asynchronous. So now we start with transformation. So first we'll see simple transformation, sort transformation. What is a sort transformation? What is a sort? This is your first transformation you have to use for creating a package. So what is a sort? General definition?
Just sort out any files from a bunch of files, right?
Sort means ascending or descending order.
Descending order.
Ascending or descending order. You know the ascending or descending?
Yeah, it is descending order, right?
Ascending or descending. Two orders we have to use this sort transformation.
Okay.
Either we have to use whatever the requirement, either ascending order, and whatever the requirement, either descending order.
Okay.
So in this, we have to use ascending or descending order. Okay?
Okay.
So now we'll start with, first we'll see what is a sorting, then we have to do some example. Okay? So it is used to sort the input record, input data based on a columns. It is used to sort the input data. Sort the input data means you have to sort it. For example, I want one column is employee name. In this employee name, you have to, some different kind of names are there, for example. But in this, I want, my requirement is, I want change that employee name is on some ascending order. Some starting with alphabet A, who are having A alphabet, then after find out finally Z.
Okay.
Ascending. If you are descending, you have to use descending order. Okay? So it can eliminate duplicate records. It can eliminate the values which contain duplicate records in the sorted column. For example, there is some duplicate values. For example, there is a country. Otherwise, I will show you one example. It is easy to understand what is this information. Yes. Yeah. Here we find out this table, these records. This is for sorting the. So this is for ID and name or columns. Two columns are there. But I want to find out this name column as ascending or descending order.
Okay.
Is it ascending or descending order?
This
name
is
column, descending order.
descending order. Okay.
Yes, why? Because it's starting with C, but here there is A.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I think some one file is missing. That is very easy to understand. We'll check it once. Table one record is missing. I think. Okay, we'll find out in database. I don't know. Today my system is very slow. I think some temporary files are there. Not responding. Sorry, my system is hanging.
No problem.
Yeah, in this database, Okay, no problem. Otherwise, we have to use one source. Yeah, I take this source. Okay. In this source, there is employee ID, employee name, employee address, and employee salary, employee department number, employee grade, and employee department number. Okay. So I want to load this data. Before loading the data, I want some changes. Here, my requirement is whatever the employee name is there, in this employee name, I want to ascending order.
Okay.
I want to ascending order. Then after ascending order, the whatever the required ascending order data, we have to load it in my destination.
Okay.
So how to create a package? Open my SQL Server data tool. Already we have to create a one project, Olive projects. So some packages are added. So that's the reason we will be having some error. It's very slow. So many projects are there. So that's the reason I will be remove later all projects. Yes, the project is open. Yeah, I have some projects are added, more projects in my system. So that's the reason today you have to take some time. Tomorrow I will finish all the projects.
As long as I understand and I can work on it, no problem.
Yes, yes. 1 second. Yes. Here I am creating one package. New package I am created. Yeah, my package name is sort transformation. This is my fourth package, sort transformation. Just I am using tr dtss. So just I am opening my toolbox. Opening my toolbox. Here I am place the data flow task. Okay. Double click on this. So what is my source? Plot file source. I will place it here. It's having some problem. Yes. So double click here. Click on browse. Yeah, click on browse. Every time we have to wait some time. Select the reader, select the source, select the source, plot file. For example, employee records. For example, employee details. There is no record in employee details. You have to searching another employee records. Yes, this is my some employee records are there. Okay, just click on OK. So here see the columns and see the preview once. So this is my table. This is my record, 9 records. But I want to load the data in my destination. These column, whatever the column available, employee name, I want to use ascending order. The names of employees are, I'm using ascending order.
Okay.
So based on that ascending order, I want to load the data in my destination.
Okay.
So how to give the ascending order? So this is your descending order. This is your descending order right now,
Okay.
employee name. So once I'm using sort transformation, go to transformations, common transformation, there is a sort is there.
Yeah.
Just drag it here. Then connect into this source to this.
Okay.
In this, double click on this. Which column you have to take the sorted column? Employee name.
Yeah.
So my requirement is I want to sort the employee name,
Okay.
either ascending order. So just I click the employee name. See here there is a two types, ascending and descending order. If you require ascending, you have to select ascending. If you require descending, you have to select the descending. My requirement is ascending. Click on OK. Yes. Then I am take the destination. Just connect into destination. See, this sort transformation is different between intermediate between the source and destination.
Yeah.
Yes. Now you have to define your connection manager. So my connection manager is DB already is there. Just here I am creating a one table for this sort table. Just click on new. It added table name. So you have to change one table name here. Here you write the table name is sort TBL. Okay.
Okay.
So go to mappings. So mappings are done. Click on OK. Okay. 1 second. Dev. Yeah. Okay. By 8:30 కుదరదండి. అది కంటిన్యూ అయింది క్లాస్ ఆల్రెడీ 5 సెషన్స్ అయిపోయింది దాంట్లో. ఇద్దరు స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉన్నారు అట్లానే. ఇద్దరు స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉన్నారు దాంట్లో మీటింగ్ లో. అదే సరే అదే ప్రాబ్లం అయింది. ఓకే. ఇప్పుడు ఈరోజు ఉందా? ఓకే సరే నేను ఇది సెషన్లో ఉన్నాను, ఇది అయిపోగానే లాగిన్ అవుతాను. ఓకే ఓకే. So this is my source, this is my transformations, this is my destination. So in this transformation I want use this input data, employee names. I want to use ascending order. So the data comes from here. Whatever the requirement, the data will be ascending order. Then after that, the data will be loaded in your destination.
Okay.
So once I am executing this package, I think yesterday we have to very slow in this system. It's an error. So what is the error? I can tell you some pipeline engine. While skipping the data rows. What happened here? Oh, having other records are there here. I don't want these columns. Hide date, department number, grade, employee department number. So we have to assign name categories. Click on the I have some problem here. Very and remove this. And take the flat file source. Then take the 5 records file. These are the more records and columns. What is this? These are the data. In this data, I want to change these names, employee names, ascending order. This time take the sort transformation and just connect it to this. Here, double click on this, select the particular employee name, whatever the requirement for ascending order I want to use. Then take the destination, just connect into the destination here. Just double click here, define your connection manager, AliDB. So create your name, new name table. So just I'm using the sort TBL data. Click on OK. Go to mappings. Yes, mappings are done. Click on OK. Yes. Now just I'm executing this package. See, the source has 8 records. That 8 records will be transferred this sort transformation. Then these 8 records you have to do some operation here. Then 8 rows are sent to your destination. See, number of input records is equal to number of output records. This transformation is called as a synchronous transformation.
Okay.
We already discussed synchronous transformation is, in this transformation, number of output records will be same as number of input records.
Yeah.
See, total number of input records is 8, and total number of output record is also 8.
Yeah.
Okay? So, then the data will be transferred from flat file source to your destination.
Yeah. But
so this type of transformation is called.
Yeah. Why didn't the last file what you tried to do, why it didn't get transferred? What was the error?
So actually in that flat file having some other columns are there, but those columns are not mapping your destination.
Why? What can be the reason?
Yeah, that is the reason. Flat file having some other columns, but I am creating in destination only. For example, this flat file having 6 columns. Okay, this destination having only 4 columns, but 2 columns are not mapping here. So that's the reason the task is failed.
But how does the destination know that there is only 4 columns in destination? It should be the same.
That's the reason. Once I'm creating this destination, so that time we have to choose only for 4 columns only. So that's the reason the 2 columns are not mapped here. Just click on new, it is asking for creating a columns directly. So what are the columns available in your source? Based on that, your columns are created in your destination.
Okay.
I have some problem with your source. So that time the package, the source will be failure.
Okay.
So now it will be loaded. It takes the data, ascending or descending order. See, employee name is ascending order. starting with G, then K, R,
Yeah.
S, V, V, and X.
Okay.
This is your ascending order. So I want to share this file. So we'll try it for descending order.
Okay.
You have to find out, try it descending order.
Okay.
Okay. So actually today we'll stop here. Why? Because having some problem in system. So I will remove some temporary files, some projects also I'm assigning today,
Yeah.
some other purpose. So that's the reason it's having some disturbance in this SQL server data tool.
Okay.
So just we have to I'm remove these all projects now. Then after finishing the session, so there is no problem tomorrow onwards.
Okay. Venu, can you share Microsoft and some data files right now so that I can practice them for 1 or 2 hours? Like, I'll just try to work on it myself.
SQL Server database.
No. Can you, share some files with me for more than 10 records, 15, 20 records file? If you can email me, I can save them.
Okay. These are source files.
Yeah.
Okay. I will share you. The
And
source files you want?
yeah, the source files, please. And can you
Okay.
send me the
MS Office.
MS Office? If you can do right now, I'm sitting. I'll just sit and practice. I've got 3 hours more, so I'll just start.
Okay. No problem. I will share you this. Just to give me some time.
Yeah.
Yeah, today I will share you. Okay.
Today, not now. If you cannot do it, right? You're busy.
Yeah, actually I have another session.
Okay.
Then after finishing the session, 1 hour, I will send it.
Okay, I'll wait for them because I've got 3 hours. I want to practice that. So if you can.
Okay. No problem. I will send it definitely.
Thank you.
So don't worry. We'll do tomorrow also with SAR transformation.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah.
why? Because today you have some disturbance.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we'll start with SAR transformation. Then after we'll discuss another transformation.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, Sunny. Okay. Bye, Ali.
तुम्हें समझ आया कि वो एरर क्यों आ रहा था?
नहीं
मुझे वही समझ आया.